everyone. Okay, this is gonna be a quick and short video. Don't worry about it, because I know I'm always making it long videos, and I'm sorry about that. But before I get to the video, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Also, give this video a like if you enjoyed this video, and you can comment down below if you have any of these products. But this is not a Dollar Tree haul or nothing like that. I received a box from pinchme. Guys, I've been getting boxes from them for a really long time now, and it's so simple. Go to pinchme.com and you fill out a profile based on you, like all your information. They'll ask a whole bunch of questions like, do you have animals, do you wear this, do you wear that, what's your skin type, all that stuff. So it kind of generates of what they can give you based on what you like and what you use. Yeah, their stuff is really good. There's times that I receive like bigger items, not, I wouldn't say full size items, but like a little bigger than travel size, and then also travel size and samples. But yeah, guys, this is really good. So go to pinchme.com. Telling you, it's free. There's nothing you have to do. Once you have their profile, everything set up, they will send you an alert of when will you be able to get your box. So it's like every month you'll receive it. So April 4th or April 5th, I believe, that's when there is a new box coming out. They don't give you a heads up of what's in it or anything like that. So definitely check out pinchme, guys. It's free. There's nothing to it, just to fill out a few questions. You know, you put your email so they can send you the notification, and also your address as well, because that's where they're gonna mail you your stuff. So this is really cute, and look at the box. It's a pretty big box. So let's get, I already opened it because I was just so excited. Like, I cannot wait. Every single time they send things, it might be a couple of stuff or 5 things or even more. It depends if you're lucky. And also, if they tell you April 5th is when the box is gonna go live, you need to be on it. Don't wait until nighttime, because there might not be nothing left over. It might be one thing, you know. So as soon as you wake up and you know that's the timing, get on it. So there was one thing I received. It was like a little gummy bears, and I gave it to Isabel. So yeah, there's like a whole bunch of things, to food, to beauty, to animals products, to everything. So I received this blue diamond almond smokehouse. Look at this, it's so cute. You put in your purse. That's so cute. So you see, this is a little travel size, like a little sample size, and you can definitely try it. If you like it, you buy yourself a big bag. And then this right here, I was very wow, like, can't believe they send this. This right here is for the eye. This is available at CVS. And what is this for? Works in minutes. See yourself. Oh, it's for redness. And it helps your eyes look whiter and brighter. So these are like eye drops. This is cute. Oh my god, I just poked my eye. This is so cute. And it comes with a card, so you can know. And it's a small, I believe this is small. I ain't opened this yet. Let's see how it looks. Where is it? Oh, right here. Oh, this is like a one-time use little thing. Yeah, this is a sample. And yeah, it's like, I want to open it, but this is really cute. You know, you can put it in your purse. You like it, get yourself a bigger bottle. And then this is cute. This is from Ocean Spray. This is cranberry, cherry, orange juice flavor. This is cute. Oh, one little thing. That's really nice. If Isabel loves it, oh, I'm gonna get it. Yes. What else? And then they sent me this Slim Fast Keto Fat Bomb, the snack cups, and iced lemon drop. This is cute. And I've seen this at BJ's. But yeah, guys, this is pretty much it. And they also sent me the little gummy bears. So when it's time, you get to pick what you want. Me, I pick everything. You don't have to pick everything. You know, and then what you do is on the box, it tells you right here on the box what to do to enter for a chance to win a gift card or exclusive pinchme box. All you have to do is snap a photo of your pinchme box and sample and share it. Tag them on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all that stuff, and tag your friends. So I haven't done that yet, but I'm gonna actually do that now. But I've done that before. Just share some light to them, because that's how you would get recognized, and they can want to send you more pinchme boxes. But yeah, guys, this is not bad. This is really, really not bad. So sign up to pinchme box, guys. I'm telling you, pinchme is a really, really good company, and it's free stuff. Who does not like free stuff? Samples, you get to try it out, see if you like it. The keto, this looks good. I'm gonna have this tonight. I'm gonna have it tonight. Let me see. Net carbs, 2 net carbs, total carbs 8 grams for just this. Yeah, I can go on a keto diet because I'll just have the whole box. No. But guys, soon I will be doing a video. I bought the Revlon blower. That big thing that everyone is like, it's so popping right now that everyone's using. I'm gonna do a video on that. And I also bought their, it's not new, but it's their wavy curler that comes with like 3 or 4 little bar looking thing, and you just clamp it and it just waves out your hair, which I like because it will curl your hair, you know. And I like curls. I can't do a curl for nothing to save my life. But yeah, guys, pretty much that's about it. I just wanted to come on here real quick to just tell you, go to pinchme.com, guys. You will not be sorry. You get to try things out before you buy it, and if you like it, you can go out and buy yourself a full size, you know, a full size item. But yeah, guys, they have a mixture of everything. It's not only food. I know it was a lot of food here, but it's not only food. Every month is something different. Every month is something different. And the cool thing about it is that, just say like if you like a certain month and you forgot what it was, you're like, oh, I remember I like something from that month, but I don't remember. You can actually go back to see the history of all your months, and you get to see what they send you out. So yeah, guys, get it. Sign up to pinchme.com and let me know down below if you already signed up to them. If not, well, what are you waiting for? And do it right now. Bye, guys. Take care.